wishes to you, Jervin.
Jervin, best wishes, congrats. Alagaan mo yung wife mo.
Congratulations, Jerv, on becoming married very soon. Many more wishes to come, and congrats again.
Hi Jervin, congratulations sa inyong mag-asawa. Sabi ng asawa mo, ikakasal na raw kayo. More blessings to come and enjoy.
Hi Idol Jervin. Yun, maraming salamat sa suporta niyo yung last series championship, and sana huwag ka magsawa na sumuporta sa amin sa Petron, and yun, good luck sa iyo sa papasukin mo yung kasal niyo. Yun, napakaganda yung plano niyo, and naway maging marami anak niyo. Thank you. Good luck.